What's up, YouTube? TCX R6S here, waiting on Ride to Victory and FreeRider. Gonna put together a little short ride today. He was gonna come. Fucking retard. Anyway, first time I've ridden with these clowns since Texas Moto Vloggers meetup. So looking forward to it. We're gonna do some riding out here in the country, out here in the cornfields where I'm at, which is east of 35. West of 35, we got the hills and the rides and stuff. Some decent scenery out here. It's good for a quick ride though. And here's the man cave one of these days. Since I posted this on, well, actually, it would take a while before I posted it, but this got poured the Saturday after Thanksgiving. Today is the 3rd of March. Damn it. And it's been raining steady, so a little backed up on construction, but we shut you off, wait till these clowns show up. We'll come back around. See you in a minute. Oh, the last time you were out? That's the man cave. What's up, sugar britches? Good to see you, man. Already? Already? We're gonna catch a couple of photo spots. I think might be able to chunk something on Instagram. I haven't eaten there yet, but that's supposed to be some really good breakfast tacos. A little fresh deli restaurant right there. It's funny, it says fresh deli, but it's Mexican food. What's up, dude? Watch out for this woman. She pulled out in front of us back there. Didn't even stop at a stop sign. Just rolled out. And we have this person. Oh, they're turning left. They're going really slow. Alright, now we can get going. So how's everybody been? Sorry I haven't uploaded anything. I've got a bunch of videos in the can. Just been pretty busy with life in general. I've got the ride that we all went on before the Moto meetup. I've got the Moto meetup ride. And my most recent one was a toy run that I did in December, and those other ones I think were September and November. So I'm way behind. Hopefully I'll get off my ass, go home, have some Jack and Coke, and work on this tonight. My wife is going to go visit with her sisters, so there's really no reason for me not to get something done unless I sit down and stop watching everybody else's. I've got a bad habit of that. I'll sit down in front of my computer and think, oh, I need to get a video edited. I'll get started on it, and then I end up watching everybody else's all night long. It's kind of a cloudy day today. Yesterday was beautiful. We've had rain steady, like I was saying, since Valentine's Day. And yesterday was amazing. It's like high as 60, maybe 62. Just a little bit of a breeze, clear skies, and then today we're back at it with the clouds. Gotta watch ourselves up here in Williamson County. Our county sheriff deputies like to control these streets, roadways, highways, whatever you want to call them. Pretty popular ride for people wanting to go out east of Austin. This area out here is called the Blackland Prairie because it's got a lot of black dirt, and it used to be prairie land, concrete. Yeah, concrete plant. I've gone through there a couple of times, and they'll dump a spot in the road or whatever. Other cars will drive over it and turn it into motorcyclists' worst nightmare. Over here We have, well, one, they have Mount Williamson, that's our landfill. Clutch getting a little soft. So we're going to make a left here. We're going to go down to the San Gabriel River, the water crossing. I think they still have it open. I hear him. He's gonna have to explain that one to me. I have no idea what that is. I know what it looked like. I almost moved into that place after my first divorce. Sorry, second divorce. First divorce was one where I kept the house. Second divorce is the one where I left it. It's really nice in the spring and in the summer because all those trees grow up. They're big pecan trees. Makes a nice canopy. But yeah, I was in a travel trailer for 4 months. Coldest part of the year, froze my ass off. Nothing like waking up in the middle of the winter when your propane tank is empty and it doesn't have an automatic changeover to the other tank. So we're going to come back. We're going to go down here, around, and then come back in that way. But there's a low water crossing right there. We're going to go down and check it out. What happened to FreeRider? What happened? Oh, he stopped. Nice little stop. Chance to throw a picture up here. Alright. They're probably doing the dirty. This is a hangout spot. Nasty people. This is a pretty grippy road here. They just recently redid the asphalt and tar and stuff. This is the kind of stuff that if you hit and go down, it's like sandpaper. It like grinds your shit down to your bones. Yeehaw! Praise Jesus! I've never been run off from here, but then again, I've never.
Just looking at them.
Yep, so the old Wahlberg Gin, and this is where they filmed part of the movie.
The Wahlberg Gin.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the second with a new one.
I'm gonna go yell at that lady.
Yeah, I'm sure she would appreciate that.
Walk over here, you know.
Somebody's peeled the sign up. God damn it. Fucker. Shithead. FreeRider's been here. Live here. Jesus Christ. See you later, FreeRider. Nice knowing you. FreeRider? Right? FreeRider? Right? Okay, this is really happening. He's telling him how to pose. Now they're going to take turns. Oh my God. What is he actually doing? Oh my God. He actually wants a video, he says. Good Lord. That's gonna be good. Now that would make a hell of a barbecue pit. Holy! Uh-oh, incoming. I know we're here. Look at the size of that thing, would you? Holy shit! Could smoke a pig or two in that thing. Some skids. All right, that was fun. We are headed to Oscar, Texas, out here in the middle of nowhere. And they got a nice little general store, country store, whatever you want to call it. It's called the Oscar store because it's in Oscar. And I want some fried pickles. Same thing.
Yep.
We're here at the Oscar store in Oscar, Texas. Got some cheese fries, cheese sticks, fried pickles. That's our server Mackenzie right there.
The three amigos.
Three retards. Yes, we are. Thank you.
Tres retardos.
I like turtles. All right, we're headed back. Woo! It's only 4:20, 4:21, but still says it was getting pretty dark, cloudy. FreeRider's got to be back for at least by 6 for his mani-pedi. So we're gonna take the fast way home, or the faster way home anyway. But yeah, Oscar store was fun. Some yummy fried pickles and some cheese sticks. I had a sweet tea. I promised my wifey I wouldn't go out and ride and drink, so at the same time anyway. Gotta go there one of these days. It'll be a fun ride. Little River Dragway. Pretty good. Fucker! Scared the shit out of me. You assholes. God damn it, that scared me, you fuckers! Anyway, that'll be a fun trip, I think. It's a decent ride up this way too, but we're gonna wrap it up here. I'll apologize for taking so long to get another one uploaded. So I hope you guys will forgive me for that. And, thanks to my new subscribers. Thanks to my old subscribers. Leave a comment in the section down below if you feel like you need to. Otherwise, a like would be really cool. Wow! Paying attention there. Woohoo! Damn it. Almost got it on camera. Oh, fucking idiots. Hey guys, take it easy, man. Had fun. Be careful.